On today's Amazon review, we have the BougeRV portable refrigerator freezer. Keep your food and drinks fresh and well preserved on the go. This compact and versatile design features a 35-liter capacity and can easily chill up to 48 cans. It can also run off 12-volt or 110 power. The adjustable temperature control and digital display make it simple to monitor and maintain the desired temperature for your food and drinks. Perfect for road trips, camping, and outdoor excursions. Click the link in the bio for more.